This is a short tutorial on using the 2V Mailchimp module. First of all, you will need an API key to use this module. Please go to your Mailchimp account, then go to your Extras, API keys, and find an API key here. If you don't have one, just create a new API key. If this is your first time, you will have a test connection button over here. You will need to paste your API key and push this button. If everything goes well, you will see other tabs such as pop-up settings, list, and add new list tabs. Let's start with the pop-up settings. First of all, you will need to choose if you show pop-up once per visit, once for user, or you don't show it. Then other settings will follow, such as texts, button text, rule on how the window would be shown. For example, after some time that user has spent on your website, or after a certain number of clicks that he has made. You can choose to use one of these rules or the one that will trigger first. I mean, for example, if you choose 10 seconds or 4 clicks, the window will appear after 10 seconds or after first 4 clicks if they were made in less than 10 seconds. Other settings that are offered are also choosing the color, the background image, the border size, the header texts, and other colors. You will also be able to choose one of the predefined styles just to play around with it. If you know how to use it, you can just try different settings and test it on your front end and choose the one that choose the layout that you like more. This is all about the pop-up thing. You will also need, of course, almost forgot, you will also need the Mailchimp list ID over here to synchronize this pop-up with one of your Mailchimp lists. This is very important, and you wouldn't be able to use this pop-up without Mailchimp list ID. To get the list ID, you will need to go to your Mailchimp account, find the lists. Here you can check settings, and here is the unique ID for this list. This is the thing you will need to paste into your module's settings. Okay, this is all about the pop-up. Now let's go to the list. Our module allows you to add any number of lists to synchronize them with your Mailchimp lists. In each list you can choose, you need also to paste a unique list ID over here. This can be the same as a pop-up list. You can choose the same list, or you can choose another list, it's up to you. Here you can use some filters to filter users who would be on this list. For example, you could choose all users, or subscribed for the newsletter, subscribed for partner users, or both. Then you can choose which groups you will have in this list. You can press Ctrl or Command on Max to select several groups over here. Then you can choose the gender. Also, you can filter by the last date, for example, only those that have their order in last, for example, 100 days. Then you can use double opt-in for this list, which means that user will also get one more confirmation from Mailchimp after he is subscribed. This is done just to avoid fake emails and such things. Also, you can add right now up to 3 merge tags to synchronize more data with your Mailchimp account. For example, you can add birthday, gender, and default group merge tags. You can add as many lists as you want one by one. If you enter a new list, you fill all the data over here. For example, I will copy paste this one, add something right here. Okay, right, then I'll save it. Okay, you see that now there is list 1, list 2, and add a new list. So you can add one by one as many lists as you want with different filters. So you will have very segmented, very nice lists. Each of them allows you to send separate email campaigns and to have very, very interesting marketing strategy, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, thank you very much and hope to see you soon. Bye.